Missing singer arrested drunkenly at Nashville Airport. Screaming innocence as officers uncovered unpaid bills, resistance charges, and frantic confusion overnight.
I got one ready.
My iPhone back?
Not yet.
It's my iPhone.
What is it?
My ID.
Okay. Do you know where you are right now?
I'm at the airport.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to...
Okay. Going.
Yeah. Can my ID back?
My partner has to run it.
What's happening?
Ma'am, just relax.
What's going on?
Where's your ticket at? Ma'am. Ma'am.
I need my ID, my phone.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Talking to you.
Ma'am.
I need my ID.
Okay, ma'am. Sit down.
That's my ID.
Ma'am, he's talking to you.
Give me my ID.
Okay.
That's my ID. Please give it back.
Here. Put your
Hands behind your back.
What am I doing wrong? No, what's happening?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Public intoxication.
Public intoxication. Dude, we're at the airport.
Control. Show 18, 10, 15.
Dude, what's going on? Stop. What's going on? I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, send it.
What's going on?
Is this your
Stop.
stuff?
Yes.
You're going to jail for public intoxication.
What to do? For public intoxication, that's not even a damn thing. Everyone needs to check their phones right now. Please help. This is not happening.
Negative.
Sir.
Get your breathalyzer.
Okay, did you go to
Please help me. Please help me.
Your breathalyzer to prove that she's public intoxication.
I'm not intoxicated right now.
Let's go. You're coming with it.
You need to breathalyze me.
Let's go.
Did she pay at 400 degrees?
That's what I'm trying to find out right now.
You need to breathalyze me.
Ma'am?
Sir, you need to breathalyze me.
We'll go ahead and put her in the
Please
car
help
and then
me.
we'll
Thank
go
you.
to 400
Thank
degrees.
you. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Everything is happening for a reason.
Get on the other side.
So,
Thank you.
Are they already out there? You're down. Yeah.
Hello? What's happening? What's happening?
Stop it. Just.
Why do I need to go to jail? Why? Everyone needs to understand why right now.
Resisting.
Public intoxication is not even a thing in Indiana.
We're not in Indiana. We're in Tennessee.
Okay, Tennessee. We're not. Okay, Tennessee. I don't care where we are. This is not inappropriate.
We're going down.
Help! What's happening? Help me, please, sir. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on. Please help me, sir. Please help me, sir. Sir, please help me. What's going on? I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Please help me. Please help me, please. I don't know what's going on. Help! Help! Help me! Help me! What do I do? Miss, what do I do? Miss, what do I do? Help me! What's going on? Help me!
sit quietly.
Baze, can you go and check 400 degrees, see what you paid?
No, she didn't. She didn't talk to him. They still have her ticket open. Okay.
I paid for that!
What was the bill?
It was like $30 I paid for it underneath the whole search card. I literally paid for that. Please, I paid for everything. Help me. Help me. Please. Please. I need help. I need help, sir. Please help me. Somebody help me. I don't know what's going on. Please. Please. I don't know what's happening. Please, somebody help me, sir. Please. Please. Please, somebody. Please, somebody help me, sir. Please. I don't know what's happening.
We have somebody around for a search.
Please help me. This was 9/11, not for somebody. Please, somebody. Please, somebody. What's happening? What's happening? I can't open my mouth. I can't.
Take your feet up.
No, I need to know what's going on. What is going on? Help me. Help me. Please help me.
You're fine.
Please, I don't know what's going on. I need somebody to answer me.
You're under arrest for public intoxication
What?
and for not paying your bill.
I paid my bill. I paid my bill. No, I paid my bill. I paid my bill. Help me. Help me, sir. No. Help me.
He's coming over and talk with him, man.
Please help me. This hurts.
All right, stand up.
Please help me. Please help me. Please help.
Stand up.
Please help. Please help me, sweetheart. Please. Please, what's going on? Please help me. What's going on? Caution. What is happening? Somebody, this is impossible. This is impossible. Help me. Help. 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 What is happening? What is happening? Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Ma'am, relax.
Help me. Help. Help. What is happening? There's a bug in my arm. There's a bug in my arm. Help me.
I have 15 or 16 goes. So we can drop one over there.
What is happening? What did I do wrong? What did I even do wrong? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? You! What did I do wrong? I did nothing wrong. You guys can arrest me. You can even arrest me. No!
Get in the car.
What is happening, Mr. Tony President? Mr. Joe President, please help me, sir. Mr. Joe President, Mr. Joe President, what is happening? I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah. We're gonna haul him. I'm gonna get kicked. She's sleep building. Now what? You need to take some deep breaths, okay? What's her name? You're gonna pass out. You need to take deep breaths. You're gonna pass out.
Please, somebody, why are you being arrested? Please, underestimate me. Please, underestimate me. Please,
your ankles together. Wait. We're gonna break her. Pressure. Hold on. Put your feet together.
No.
Put your gun. Or put your feet together.
No.
Yank it. Yank it.
What the f*** is going on here? What the f*** is going on here? Somebody has to tell him because he doesn't even know what's going on here. I can tell him to read his mind. I can read his mind.
Okay, give me that.
I can read his mind.
Can you put it out there? Yep. Hold that
Hideous.
tight.
They're hideous. They're hideous as What's going on? Somebody needs to tell me what's going on here or I'll lose my shit.
You're being arrested for public intoxication and failing to pay your theft services.
I paid that shit. I paid that mother.
What is it for?
He's a missing person.
He's a missing person too. Great.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Roger.
What is happening to my life?
You're being arrested for disorderly and public intox.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure I'm on the right page.
You guys made me disorderly, so it's not my fault. What's happening, man?
You're gonna go to jail for the night.
What?
For public intoxication, state of Tennessee. You can't be
I'm
public.
not publicly intoxicated.
Okay.
You're gonna arrest me for
Transporting one female to Metro Booking. Starting mileage 11370.
Serious.
And vehicle 6677.
Serious, you're arresting me for nothing? For nothing. For nothing, sir. For nothing. That's what you're doing right now. You
said no.
No, now let me go. Now let me f***ing go. Sir. Now let me go. You have to let me go, sir. Sir. You have to let me go. You have to let me go. What are you doing to me? What are you even doing to me, dude?
We're going downtown to jail.
What am I even doing wrong? I'm not doing anything f***ing wrong.
Public intoxication and disorderly conduct.
I did not do any disorderly conduct.
Okay.
I did not do any disorderly conduct. I did not. I swear to God, I did not. I did not. I didn't. I didn't. You're bringing me to the county jail? You're bringing me to the county jail?
Yes.
Why?
For public intoxication and disorderly conduct.
I did not do anything wrong!
And also, you didn't pay your tab.
Wrong! You're wrong!
Okay. Yeah. Are you a singer?
I am a singer.
Is that why you came to Nashville?
Yes.
Nice.
Let me sing my songs out, dude. Let me sing my song out.
Okay. Do you know you were missing out of... Someone reported you missing?
I don't get it.
I was just informing you, that's all. Alright.
Wait a minute. Can I help you out?
I don't know, this hurts. Can you help me get out of the office?
Are you gonna walk with us and not...
Are you gonna walk with us and fight us, or are you
no,
gonna kick us?
I'll walk with you guys.
You sure?
Yes.
Because you didn't do that at the airport.
I'll walk with you guys.
Okay.
can get out of here though, right? Tonight?
Maybe.
What did I do wrong?
Public intoxication and disorderly conduct, and then also resisting our arrest.
I don't know what's going on still. I don't know what's going on, guys.
Okay.
You're
So,
booked into.
Don't tell me.
I got your phone for you, so just go in there with you, okay? Your bags are not going to be able to go in there with you. You're going to have to come back to the airport and pick them up. What you do tomorrow is call this number and tell them, hey, I need to come pick up my property. And they'll tell you where to go, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be with your phone and your ID, okay?
Okay.
And your baby.
Is there anything else on you
No.
that the jail might find?
No.
Pills,
No.
weed, nothing?
No.
Okay, take a seat for me.
All right.
Okay.
So it's enough.
Hey, man. Hi. Are you sick?
I am sick.
So her missing person reports in there too.
No.
Suicidal?
No.
Here's her phone, ID.
Been around anybody with COVID or flu?
No.
Been exposed to any infectious diseases?
No.
Any chance you're pregnant?
No, I'm not.
Missing singer arrested drunkenly at Nashville Airport.